स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बड़ी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से कोर्सेज देखने वाले गाइस, और ये अमेजिंग कोर्सेज सिस्को की तरफ से दिए जा रहे हैं गाइस। तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है गाइस सिस्को की तरफ से गाइस। आपको सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम दिया जा रहा है जो कि अगेन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है गाइस, कोई भी लर्नर के लिए। तो गाइस, अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, सेकेंड ईयर में हो, फाइनल ईयर में हो, या कोई भी ईयर में हो गाइस कॉलेज के, आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। बहुत ही अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी गाइस। तो अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया गाइस, तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं हो, ठीक है। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So friends, here you can see I officially goes to the Cisco official platform website, which is Cisco Networking Academy, in which different courses will be finding to you according to the like analysis. If we see, there are number of courses, guys, around 20 to 30 plus courses you will be getting in the Cisco, which is again free of cost, guys. Okay, so for if we see, you can see the topics of the courses, which is like first one is networking essentials. If you want to enroll in this program, or if you want to learn more, so you need to click on that. After clicking on that you can see all the things like length will be 70 hours, course will be there, cost free, level intermediate, guys. So if you know the basic knowledge of networking, so you can directly enroll in this program. Then it is a like instructor lead, your online self-paced, both things will be there, and you will be getting a badge also after completion. Okay, so if we talk about different languages, so we have English, France, Portuguese, Brazil. Each and every languages will be finding to you. Okay, so you can easily enroll in this program, guys. It's an amazing program, which is networking essentials. Okay, then if we talk about the other program, then you can see the introduction to cyber security, which is again a beginner level. Then you can see cyber security essential, which is again a intermediate level. Then we have a cyber ops associate, which is again an intermediate course. Then we have introduction to IoT, Internet of Things, which is again a beginning level. Then we have Internet of Things fundamentals, which is connecting things. Like it is also an intermediate course. Then you can see the big data and analytics. This is a huge demand course, guys, which is again an intermediate course. You just need to click on that and you can directly enroll in this course. Okay. Then we have hackathon playbooks of IoT, again intermediate level. Then we have get connected, beginning IT related IT essentials, NDG Linux unhatched, NDG Linux essentials, NDG Linux 1, Linux 2, essentials in Python, guys, programming essentials in C, C++, advanced programming, JavaScript, introduction to network switching, routing and wireless essentials, cloud security, DevNet associate, IoT fundamentals and IoT security. Then we have workshop model driven programmability, REST APIs using WebEx Teams, enterprise networking security and automation. Then we have advanced routing, core networking, advanced programmed in C, and our last one is network security, guys. So there are so many courses, guys. Plus there is one advanced course of, guys, Cisco Python Essentials one. So this is, guys, amazing course. You just need to click on this, get started. You can directly see like where Python languages are using. It is again free of cost. 30 hours lecture will be there, guys. 30 labs will be provided to you for practice. It is a beginner level and it is proper in English, guys. Okay, so you can see if you complete, you will be getting an introduction to Python achievement, data types, variables and basics badge. Then you will get control flow and list flow badge, and collection functions and badge. Okay, so you can see each and everything, guys. It is explained in detail. So if you want to enroll, guys, just you need to click on get started. After clicking on get started, guys, you need to log in here. If you have already account in Cisco, if you don't have an account, guys, you can either create a Cisco Academy, or you can directly sign in with your Google, and then you can directly apply with this amazing opportunity, guys. Okay, so this is amazing opportunity, guys. Those who want to apply, they can directly apply. I will be providing both of the links in the description box, so you can directly enroll in this amazing program, guys. ठीक है, तो guys, आज के लिए अपन इतने रखते हैं, मिलते हैं अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सी यू, guys. गुड बाय, guys. बाय बाय.